Morning everyone. We decided to have a bit of fun today with a new Powerhand mini pocket floodlight. We know it's designed to be tough. We've done a lot of extreme tests with it already, but we wanted to go big with this one. So we've decided to go big and use a tank. Not any tank, the very tank from the Fast and the Furious. It's time, let's put it to the test. And it still works! Brilliant! It's still working! A few more scratches, but it's working. The thing is tough, built like a tank.